Today I'll show you how to add EMA in TradingView. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. EMA stands for Exponential Moving Average. TradingView describes it as a moving average that gives more weight to recent price data, which is why many traders use it to follow trend direction and short-term momentum. To get started, open your chart in TradingView. Then go to the top toolbar and click Indicators. TradingView says that on supercharts, this is the main place where you add built-in indicators and community indicators to your chart. Once the indicators window opens, type EMA or Exponential Moving Average in the search bar. When the built-in EMA appears, tap or click it, and TradingView will add it to your chart right away. This is the fastest way to place a standard EMA on the screen. Now let's customize it. After the EMA appears on the chart, open the chart legend and click the gear icon next to the indicator. TradingView says the gear icon opens the indicator settings, where you can change the inputs and style. This is where you can adjust the length, color, thickness, and source. For example, many people use 9, 20, 50, 100, or 200 as common EMA lengths, depending on their strategy. If you want more than one EMA, just repeat the same step again. Open indicators, search for EMA, and add it again. Then change the settings for each one so they use different lengths. TradingView also has built-in tools like Moving Average Ribbon, which can show several moving averages together, including EMA, but many users still prefer adding separate EMAs one by one for more control. Here's one more helpful thing to remember. If you later want to remove or edit the EMA, you can use the chart legend again. TradingView says the trash icon removes the indicator and the gear icon opens its settings. So once the EMA is on your chart, you can keep adjusting it anytime. So, in simple terms, open your chart, click Indicators, search for EMA, add Exponential Moving Average, and then adjust the settings with the gear icon. That's the main way to add EMA in TradingView. And that's how to add EMA in TradingView. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.